Hi everyone, welcome to our discussion today of post-secondary educational options. We're going to be able to describe three different types of post-secondary education, as well as the degrees and certificates that each one offers. Let's get started. So some types of post-secondary education. So this is secondary education as high school, so this is after high school education. The first one we talk about is vocational schools. So these are also called trade schools. These schools really focus on a very particular set of skills for a very particular job, and usually it's for things that require some kind of level of certification. You can earn what are called certificates or diplomas. So typically a certificate is something a little bit shorter. It takes you typically less than a year to earn. A diploma is just more classes. It's a broader thing. It takes a little bit longer to learn, but still they're all really focused. Some examples are cosmetology, carpentry, culinary arts, hospitality, welding, pipe fitting, childcare, mechanics, introductory healthcare, and lots more. Trade schools are a great option for people who want to get out there and start earning money, but they want more training in order to do that. Some of these things can be learned also on the job skills, but that takes longer to learn to get the certification or to reach those levels of training. All right. So the next one we're talking about are community colleges, also called junior colleges, although that's much less common these days. These offer certificates and diplomas just like vocational schools in some areas, but they also offer other type of degree called an associate's degree. An associate degree is tailored to specific careers, but with a broader focus than a certificate or diploma. They typically require 2+ years to complete. Usually they're right at that 2-year mark. And some examples are landscape design, business administration, digital media, computer sciences, legal administration, sciences, nursing, dental assistants, and lots more. Landscape design is like a really good one to kind of talk about the difference between an associate's degree and, say, a certificate diploma. If you're going to get a certificate in landscape design, it might be like 2 or 3 landscape classes where you're just focused on the landscape design aspects of it. For a landscape design for an associate's degree, you'd also be learning about the business management of landscape design, being able to run a business and pay people and keep track of all that stuff. That might be part of an associate's degree, whereas it wouldn't be part of a certificate diploma. To see some real examples from our area, you can just do an internet search for Olympic College degree programs. Look on there. There's a link that says like all programs, and a list out. They have, it looks like 70 or so, maybe more than that, programs that they offer that you can get started in. Awesome. So that's the community college level. The next one is colleges and universities. The types of degrees they offer are 2. There's undergraduate degrees. So if you've heard that word undergraduate, that's people just entering the college university. They do offer some associate's degrees, but it's not very common. Typically, they offer what's called a bachelor's degree. This is typically a 4 or 5-year degree, and it's broader in scope. So it won't be focused on a particular job. It'll be focused on a field. Okay. There are also graduate degrees. So this is after you finish your undergraduate, you can continue on. Master's degrees typically are 2 years beyond a bachelor's degree. So for example, as a teacher, I have my master's degree. I actually didn't get it when I was first going to school. I got my undergraduate, my bachelor's degree in teaching of chemistry. And then once I was teaching, I went to school in the evenings and got my master's degree. And it took me a little over 2 years to complete that. And then the other graduate degree that's possible are PhD. So again, you finished your bachelor's degree, and now you're getting a PhD, which is just a much more in-depth study of the field that you're in. So you get your PhD in physics or teaching or any subject that you would do, architecture, any subject you would do, English, languages. You can get it in whatever you want to get it in, as long as your college offers that PhD program. Awesome. So those are your options for post-secondary education. It was a quick list, but hopefully that helped.